Hello everybody, welcome back. Now, as you can see, I'm back in my own Roblox game. If you don't know, or you're new to the channel, I have created my own game on Roblox. Now, no, it's not a game for little children, it's actually kind of fun, and it's in space. It is where you build your own space station. And this video is dedicated to become a tutorial for players who don't know how to read the in-game tutorial. So, basically, the number one question I get asked is, how do you make money? Well, when you first join the game, you'll be in a station like this. Ignore my negative stats and stuff. I kind of was playing around with things. But you'll start with 150 cash. So, how you get money is there's a tab up here called the Research tab. When you click the Research tab, this little GUI will pop down. And these are all different researches you can do. So the first ones are the water in space, the food in space, and the frozen water in space. Now you can, within 150 bucks, you can buy all three of these. And by clicking it, it'll take a certain amount of time. And the red is how much it costs to start it, and the green is how much money you'll get. So in this case, we pay $0, or it's free, and we get $50. And then when it's done, then we can start doing it again. And then, after you do that a few times, then you'll probably want to make your station bigger, like other people. So, how you do that is there's the Edit Station tab. By clicking on it, you'll be teleported to the Vehicle Assembly building. Now, on the side here, you can see these are all the different modules and a ton of different tabs for all the different modules you want to buy. So, you can pick a module by clicking on it in the side, and it'll pop up here. And you can see the different stats about it. So, this one generates 65 kilowatt hours of electricity. I will go over electricity a little bit later. 0 beds, and it can have 0 kilograms of storage. It costs $1,400, and it has 0 workstations inside of it. And this is a short description. It generates power during the day. How you place one is I'm gonna pick this one because it's cheap. It's literally nothing. So what you'll do is you have enough money, you click the buy, and then what happens is you'll have to, if you're on mobile, you'll tap. If you're on a PC, you hover your mouse over one of the open docking ports, and it will go there, and you can click rotate left or the rotate right button. And then if you click R and T, it'll rotate accordingly. And then if you press the cancel placing button, it'll cancel. Let's just go back into there, and then say you want to place. If you press it, if you click, you can ask to confirm. If you click no, it won't place. If you click yes, it'll place. And then there you go. You just placed a module. But then if you want to place multiple modules at the same time, what you can do is if you hold shift and place, you can place multiple at the same time. Now, another big question I get asked is, how do you delete modules? Well, if you click the edit station, there's a remove module button. It is a little bit buggy at the moment, but it will probably be fixed really soon. So, by pressing it, you can see when you hover over a module, it'll go red. And now you cannot delete the base station module, but that may change in the future. So, what you can do is, as you hover over red, there's a stop deleting. If you press that, it'll stop deleting. But if you just click, you'll get refunded 90% of your money back. Another big feature of the game is crew. Now, what crew does is, if you have enough open beds and workstations, you can hire crew. And what they will do is they will use up supplies every 15 seconds and generate money. First off, what you need are some beds. And the modules that currently have beds in game are the large habitation and the normal habitation. How you'll do this is you'll need to place one of these. And now we have 6 open beds. Another thing you need are workstations. In this case, I'm going to place the Skylab because it has a lot. After you've done it and you have enough open beds and workstations, one crew member takes 1 bed and 1 workstation. You go over to the Manage tab and you click the Hire Crew button. The cost for crew increases depending on how many crew you have. So when you click on this, your crew will go up and your workstation, the beds will go down. And if we check inside the Skylab, we can see that our crew members are working. But right now, they are not producing any money because we have no supplies. So how you buy supplies is you click on the Manage tab, and then right here, you change the amount you want to buy. Supplies cost $6 per 1 supply. So if you want to buy 40, it'll cost us $240. And just press this button and you get your supplies. Some of our supplies got used and we got a little bit of money. So now you may be wondering, hey, the crews, they use a lot of supplies. So if you place the cupola or the recreational module, so this one or this one, they will use half the supplies they normally use. In this case, I'm going to place the cupola, and I think it looks amazing. Another thing you may have noticed is power. Your station will use and generate power every 10-ish seconds. The modules that generate power are all the power generation ones, and every other module will use a certain amount of power. If you run out of power, the amount of money you get every research will go down a bit, and your lights will go out in most of your modules. Another thing is, hey, what if I want to go over to somebody else's space station? There's two things you can do. Either A, you can take forever and kind of walk over, float-ish walk there, or you can place a teleport module. Now, what the teleport module does is it allows other people to teleport to you. So all you have to do is place it, and then in the manage button, you click on the team that they have. So currently I'm on the India team. I press this, I'll teleport to my space station. If you really enjoy the game and you want to support it, there is the bank, which you can buy money, and you can even buy game passes, the Skylab, and the radio, and you can even buy some boosts. And now, if you bought the radio or the Skylab, you might have to rejoin the game if it doesn't show up. If you do buy it, there should be a game pass for the Skylab, and for the radio, you'll have to go into the base station and click on the computer, and then you put in the song ID and press play. Thank you for watching the video and for hopefully playing the game. If you're new, you should subscribe because I'll probably do more videos related to this, and I've also been streaming a lot of Minecraft gameplay recently, so you should subscribe because not a lot of people are, and it'd really mean a lot to me. I'm so close to 200 subscribers. And if you have any suggestions for the game or bug reports, please just let me know in the comments. And hope you all have a great day. Bye.